Hello everybody, I welcome you all once again in online classes. In previous video you have learned adding numbers using expanded notation. Okay. Now today we are going to study adding more than two numbers with carry. Adding more than two numbers. More than two, it means it can be 3 also, 4 also, 5 also. Okay. So you all be ready and watch the video carefully and try to understand. Let's start. Adding more than two numbers with carry. You have to add 16, 17 and 15 together. 16, 17 and 15. First, you will see once there is written O. O for ones and T for tens. 6 is at the tens place. 6 is at the ones place. In 16, 6 is at the ones place and 1 is at the tens place. 17, 7 is at the ones place and 1 is at the tens place. In 15, 5 is at the ones place and 1 is at the tens place. So, we will write it like this. Okay. Now first we start addition from one side. We will add first ones numbers. Ones digit 6, 7 and 5 together. When we will add 6 and 7 and 5, 6, 7, 5, it will be 18. You can count on your fingers. It will be 18. So we will write here 18. Now you see in 18, 8 is at the ones place. 8 is ones and 1 is at the tens place. Okay, we all know that we write ones at the ones place and we write tens at the tens place. Okay, we can't write tens at the ones place and we can't write 8 at the tens place. Understood? So 8 is ones, so we will write 8 at the ones place. Okay, now 1 is left. 110. This is 110. This is not 10, this is 10. 110. Then we will give 110 to the tens. This is tens. It is called carry. This one called carry. So 1 carry we will give to 10. Now there is 110, 110, 110 and 1 more 10. Now we will count all 1, 2, 3, 4. Right here 4. Now answer is 48. In 48 there is 8 ones and 4 tens. You can divide it like this. 48 is equal to how many tens in 48? 4 tens plus 8 ones. Now 4 tens you will write like this. You don't have to do it. I am only making you understand. Okay. 4 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4 tens and 8 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 ones. When you will add 4 tens, it will be 40. And when you will add 8 ones, it will be 8. 40 and 8 will be 48. I hope you all understand. So, which I have given you homework, do it like this. Okay. Thank you.